The Coast Guard is gearing up for the rainy season. Coast Guard personnel and assets have been placed on standby for any emergency. Here's Noel Perfecto.
The full force of the Philippine Coast Guard has been placed under heightened alert status in time for the rainy season. According to Commandant Rodolfo Isorena, the Philippine Coast Guard is placed under such alert to ensure the readiness of the agency's rescuers, including the Special Operations Group, and also equipment for communications, rubber boats, rescue vessels, metal hull speedboats, and Coast Guard air assets. Coast Guard officials underlined the importance of quick response for their personnel during flash floods in low-lying areas as habagat season nears.
Ang government agencies kasi ngayon, lapit na po yung tagulan, tinatanggap po natin lahat ang request nila na magpaturo sa atin tungkol sa water safety, rescue at saka kung ano pa yung mga survival techniques sa panahon ng kalamidad.
PTV4 News team witnessed some of the exercises of the agency together with the Bureau of Fire Operatives and some technical divers.
May binanggit ko kanina na katulad na nangyari sa Yolanda, ika nga medyo, inaamin naman yun na talagang mahirap at the time, kaya yung pag-respond ay talagang mahirap rin.
Yes sir, kagaya po yung mga namatay namin mga fireman doon. So, ang ginawa po nila, tumulong po sila sa mga tao kahit na po na alam nilang na nasa risk po yung kanilang safety. So, may mga knowledge po sila pero sad to say nga po, yung nangyari sa kanila ay nakapagligtas sila. At the end, sila naman po yung dapat i-rescue kasi namatay po sila sa Yolanda na po na yun.
The Philippine Coast Guard and Technical Divers Group have worked hand in hand during sensitive operations, search and rescue operations, and retrieval operations, such as the search for the late DILG Secretary Jesu Robredo and the sinking of a ship in Cebu. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.